Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Jio accepts transferred ESIMs and that your iPhone carrier permits exporting. Once done, back up the iPhone to iCloud so you can restore if needed. This protects contacts and settings. Make sure you have the AMA and EAD from settings right arrow general right arrow about. Jio will need them. Also disable any activation lock and temporarily remove strong device passcodes. This prevents interruptions during export. Keep Wi-Fi on because downloads and profile exchanges happen over the network. Next, contact Jio through the My Jio app, retail outlet, or customer care and request an ESIM migration for your number. Provide the AMA and EAD you collected plus KYC. Jio will verify and issue an activation QR code or numeric activation code. While waiting, keep both devices charged and near each other. When you have the code, open the Android settings right arrow network and internet right arrow SIMs, right arrow ad carrier, or follow the My Jio ESIM flow to scan the QR. This triggers Jio to provision the ESIM. Finally, scan the Jio QR or input the activation code on your Android and accept the cellular profile installation. Provisioning can take a few minutes, so wait and then restart the phone if prompted. Once active, make a test call, send an SMS, and browse data to confirm services work. Make Jio the default for calls and mobile data in settings if required. If anything fails, verify the AMA/EAD you gave Jio. Confirm network connectivity, and contact Jio support with the activation reference so they can reissue or troubleshoot the ESIM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.